Chinese smartphone maker Honor is gearing up to launch the Honor 8X and the 8X Max in China on September the 5th. Ahead of the launch, the Honor 8 Max has been revealed on a listing on JD.com. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. The Honor 8 Max will support a water drop-like display notch, which was first seen on the Essential phone. The phone comes with a dual-lens rear camera placed vertically along the fingerprint scanner, and it is expected to have a 16-megapixel primary sensor with a 2-megapixel secondary depth sensor. The handset seems to have a huge display. It is rumored to have a phablet form factor with a 7.12-inch screen, which will be a first from the house of Huawei. The display is said to be a Full HD Plus IPS display with an 18.7:9 aspect ratio and hence an effective resolution of 1080x2244 pixels. As per the earlier TNR listings, the device is expected to be powered by a 1.8 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor. On the storage front, it is said to offer 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage along with a microSD card support up to 256GB. Even though it is likely that there will be more than one variant as usual, but it is really surprising that this one is not housing a variant of the in-house Kirin processors. As for the camera, the device is expected to be coming with a 16 and 2-megapixel sensor duo as we have just mentioned. On the front, it is likely to sport an 8-megapixel sensor, and for the operating system powering the device, it is expected to be EMUI 8.2 or Android 8.1 Oreo right out of the box. Although the massive display could demand for extreme power, Huawei has got it covered by putting in a massive 4900 mAh battery, which should be enough to run along with the display more than one day. The connectivity options are expected to be the standard, including 4G VoLTE, not to forget that it will be supporting dual 4G VoLTE, that is 4G VoLTE on both the SIMs simultaneously thanks to the Snapdragon 660, along with dual band AC Wi-Fi. A 3.5mm headphone jack is present as well. In a related news, the Honor Band 4 is also expected to be launched along with this new device, but do not expect it to be bundled. That was a pun. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.